Welcome to this complete walkthrough of the book sales prediction using machine learning project. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how we analyze book-related features, build predictive models, and identify the most important factors that influence book sales. This project is perfect for students, final year submissions, and anyone interested in data science. Let's start with the dataset. We work with over 1,000 book records containing detailed information such as author rating, genre, publishing year, sale price, publisher revenue, gross sales, units sold, our primary target variable. This dataset offers a rich combination of numeric and categorical values, making it ideal for machine learning. The first step is data preprocessing. We handle missing values, encode categorical features like genre and author rating, and scale numeric variables where necessary. Proper preprocessing ensures the models learn correctly and prevents skewed results. Next, we perform exploratory data analysis. Here we generate visualizations such as scatter plots showing relationships between price and gross sales, violin plots visualizing sales distribution by author rating, genre distribution charts, correlation heat maps highlighting feature relationships. This helps us understand patterns, trends, and which features may influence book success. Using insights from EDA, we finalize features for modeling. Important predictors include sale price, author rating, genre, publisher revenue, book average rating. These features strongly correlate with total units sold. Now comes the core of the project, model building. We train two powerful algorithms, decision tree regressor and random forest regressor. Both models analyze patterns and attempt to predict book sales based on historical data. To evaluate the models, we calculate professional machine learning metrics such as RMSE, root mean squared error, ME, mean absolute error, R superscript 2 score, model accuracy, cross-validation accuracy. The random forest model performs best with higher accuracy and lower error values, showing its strength in handling complex patterns. We compare both models using bar charts and performance plots. Random forest consistently achieves better stability, lower variance, and more accurate sales predictions. This makes it ideal for real-world publishing and retail forecasting. This project has powerful real-world applications, predicting future book sales, optimizing pricing strategies, helping publishers decide which genres to focus on, estimating demand before printing or marketing, supporting data-driven publishing decisions. Such insights can significantly improve business outcomes. Students love this project because it provides hands-on experience with data preprocessing, real-world machine learning workflow, beautiful visualizations and charts, a complete academic-ready project, Word report, PPT slides, and execution documentation. It's a perfect choice for final year projects or portfolio building. Thank you for watching. This book sales prediction project gives you real data science experience, practical machine learning models, and industry standard evaluation techniques. Whether you're a student or an aspiring data scientist, this project prepares you for real analytics challenges. If you want more AI, ML, or data science project explanations, don't forget to explore more.